What's up, YouTube? How's everybody doing? As you can probably hear, we have rain coming down today. I'm supposed to do this all day, and I can see I need to get up there and do some work on that gutter. But that'll have to wait. So I got all the little things that fell off these trees are probably in the gutter, and probably got them blocked. But we got rain coming down today. Supposed to do this all day long, and then supposed to do it for like the next 7 days in a row. So anyway, a little project I've been working on. I've been working on this off and on, but and you probably don't remember, maybe you do, how this place looked before. I've been working on this tool shed back here, and I got it a lot more where I can see what's here and trying to organize things. But I actually can walk back to this corner now. There was a shelf there, and I'll show you the shelf there in a little bit. It is it was a plastic shelf, and it was so brittle that if you touched it, it would just fall apart. But yeah, it's we've been here about 5 years, and about time to get some of this stuff cleaned up. I was watching a video, I think it's Big Al's compound, and he had a stool like that in his video, and I'll be darned if I didn't just find this one again. We had it for a long time, but Big Al's compound, I think, is the name of the channel. Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's Saturday afternoon, another rainy, potentially stormy day here. As you have seen in previous parts of this video, the weather's not been fit to get outside and do much of anything. But this got this workbench probably to the first time I've ever been able to do anything with it. Like, it's a free space. Nothing. I mean, this section here, I got it cleaned off. I can almost use it for something. Still working on that over there. I got to figure out where to put all those chargers and figure out which of those batteries are junk and which aren't. Some of them still work, but as you guys know, if you're familiar with battery-powered tools, once they get old, they don't work very good. So, but anyway, one of my first little deals here is this pulleys off my son's lawnmower. This is the bolt that he said the nut might have just come off, but I believe the bolt sheared off. So I'm just trying to see if I have a bolt similar to it. I think I found one, but I guess I need to get the model number of the mower and see what bolts he needs. But it looks like the bolt sheared off. But that bolt's about the same size, and hopefully he's got the part that goes on there's a washer that goes over top of that, hold it in place. So yeah, making progress. Like I say, it's too nasty outside to try to do anything outside. And 3 o'clock, storm's supposed to have started blowing in. We're still on the radar, but you can see the clouds are getting darker. Big bag of crap just went over us there. So that one missed us. But we're supposed to have storms throughout that day. But anywho, hope everybody's having a fine day. Things are going pretty well here, but I'll get back to you here shortly. I'll tell you, here's something that's wild. This was on the top shelf in there. I'll lay it down here so you can see. God only knows how old this thing is. It's a metal detector. Treasure Master TR discriminator metal detector. Lord only knows how old this thing is. And I put a 9-volt battery in it. I'll check it out a little further. And turned it on. It's on now. I'll have to read about it, but check this out. Seems to work. Can you believe that? I guess could be picking up rebar. Imagine that. And I found a bunch of mini blinds up there too. Some are vinyl, some of them are aluminum, but that color is probably not in vogue anymore. It's kind of some kind of blue room darkening. There's some white alabaster from the one of them had a price tag on it. Somebody's tried to sell them at a yard sale before and couldn't, so $1. So I guess when we have our yard sale, you can put them in there, and if they don't sell, the next place would be the trash. And then this bundle of shop towels, I guess, some kind of, they can be used for shop towels, wipe up messes.
There, it looks like a rain.
So anyway, I think we're done with the rain for the day, hopefully. It doesn't look like it. Kind of a unique
Pretty sunset over there.
And
Whoa.
over there still looks like it's going to dump some more rain on us. It's been raining all day. But that does look kind of interesting over there.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know what the weather's going to be like tomorrow. Probably more the same. Now it's gray, purple over there where it was gray before. Say it right.
Now it's purple over there where it was gray and looked like it was going to dump rain on us. Yeah.
I can't talk.
It's actually sprinkling right now.
Yeah, it's sprinkling. We're going to get more rain tonight. I can't remember if it's going to rain tomorrow or not. But anyway, it's been nothing but rain around here for days. Thank God we haven't had any severe storms.